For 3 years now, we've been borrowing money in this country at a record low interest rate, but that ended today. The Bank of Canada hiked interest rates by 1/4 percentage point. As A News reporter Louise Hartland shows us now, analysts say it's only going to go up from here.
It's been a tough haul over the past few years, but it looks like the financial tides are turning.
Well, the Canadian economy is ripping along. The last quarter, it grew by 6.1%, which is the best growth in 10 years.
And that boost to the economy has the Bank of Canada raising its key interest rate from 1/4 point to 1/2 point. As usual, the big banks are following and starting to raise prime rates.
So if you're a borrower, it's a good time to lock in low terms, low rates for 5 or 10 years or whatever you're comfortable with.
That means if you're in the market for a mortgage or any other loan, now is still a good time to borrow money. Mortgage broker Ida Chan says the rate increase was expected, but she says 1/4% is nothing to panic about.
A few years ago, you get a mortgage rate, prime is always about 4%, 6%, and now is 2.25%, even go up to 2.5%. It still is a very, very low, historically speaking.
If you have a fixed-rate mortgage, the change in interest rates won't affect how much you pay. But for example, if you have a $300,000 variable rate mortgage and you were paying 1.75% over a 35-year term, Chan says the 1/4 point change won't make a huge difference to your payment. That means yesterday your mortgage payment was $954.78. Today for the same mortgage you'll pay $992.51 a month. The difference? $37.73.
Obviously, it's more, but it's not so much more that you thought, oh, wow, the sky is falling. It's not that bad.
The increase also applies to other variable rate loans, such as lines of credit. Analysts say today's rate hike is just a start of more to come. But the bottom line:
don't worry about interest rates right at this point. Rates will be going up from here, but not really quickly and not, I don't think, significantly over the next couple of years.
In Victoria, Louise Hartland, A News.